What's up guys? We're gonna run to the store real quick and grab some materials, and we're gonna do a how-to video on how to clean your headlights. So let's go. Peep the Z. Peep the Z. Alright. We'll see you guys at the store. Alright, we made it to the wonderful world of Walmart. We're gonna run inside and show you guys the materials we grabbed. Alright, so we got some 800 grit. This is for if your headlights aren't like terrible, like major pitting, just a light yellowing like mine, and I'll show you guys. And then 2X Ultra Covered Gloss Clear. This one is UV resistant, non-yellowing, and fast drying. So let's buy this, go back to the house, and show you guys the rest there. All right, so the headlights, before, as you can tell, we have quite a bit of oxidation. These used to have headlights on them, but never when I owned them, so I don't know where they are. But yeah, let's see if we can't clear these up and make them look brand new. This isn't my first set, but this is the first time doing it on my own car, so yeah. So before we begin, we want to mask off paint where we don't want to hit it with paper. So yeah, let's get Alright, now that we have the area masked off, not the best, but it'll work for these purposes, let's rinse down the headlight real quick with a rag and some water. And typically I use microfibers just because they're cheap and work well for what we're doing. So I have, this is going to be my final microfiber, so right before we hit it with the clear coat, this is what I'll use. And then I have this one right here, which I'm going to use to, actually, this one will be to clean, and then this one will be the final. This will make sure the headlight is dry so that we can hit it with the clear coat. So let's do that. Alright, so after a quick battery change, let's get to sanding. Alright, so you guys are probably thinking, Wes, it's more blurry, it looks worse. But actually, this is a lot better than it has been. If you get to this stage, this is perfect, this is normal, you're okay, your headlights aren't screwed. What you want to do is you want to rub your hand over the whole headlight and feel for any imperfections and feel the smoothness of it, and then make sure that every single speck of the headlight is hazy like this. You want it all clear, hazy. All of the plastic running down your car, yes, it'll wash off. No, it won't ruin your paint or your wrap or whatever, carbon fiber or whatever. So just go over it, make sure that you hit all of the edges of the headlight, and then just go over it real quick, and once you're happy with it, we'll take you to the next step. So you're gonna wanna take your clear that we just got, and you wanna shake it for 2 minutes, and then we will start spraying. All right, so the can's all shaken up. So you're just gonna wanna give it a little test spray somewhere where it spraying, and then just nice, even, all the way across. Alright, so we just got done spraying the clear, and as you can tell, these headlights look brand new, and that'll save you a couple $100s. These are special headlights for my year Mazda and package trim, so these are not cheap at all. So we just, you can see, looks clear, brand new, sparkling in the sun. And this one's all hazy, yellow, foggy. It needs to be cleaned up. But major difference, increase in safety too. At night you'll be able to see a lot better when there's not a lot of light refracting off of the hazy fogginess. So we'll let these bake in the sun and then we'll show you guys the end result. All right guys, so because I just showed you guys the other side, I thought it'd be boring to see, but oh my goodness, they look brand new. It gets me excited every time. This is like by far my favorite thing to do on cars. It looks like a whole new car now. It's filthy, I know, but the headlights are clean, so we're gonna let them dry, wash the car, and yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up and comment what you guys want to see in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.